Hey guys, Bon7 Anime Freak here. And I have a huge box that arrived in the mail. Although I think I have to spray paint this because it's black with pink. But I'm going to show you guys how to put it together, but first I'm going to show you guys all the parts. So this is the base of the chair rest or whatever. We'll call this Patrick the Starfish. The Shero brand is purple and pink like I mentioned before, so this is the pillow. This is for the armrest. So I'm just gonna pull up all the parts. Here's another arm part. And it costs like $50 to $80 extra to have them put it for you, but I was like, nah, I'll do it myself. Oh my gosh, guys. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. Oh wait, let's look for tears. Let's look for tears. Swear to God, if my cat scratches this up, I'm gonna get dry food forever. Another cushion. This goes into the back. This is like a spring, maybe to, I don't know what this is for yet, but we'll figure that out together. No, yeah, this is on chairs. I think it makes it go lower. It says lift up, lift down, free lock. Next we have the buttocks of the chair, so you see your nice little booty on. Comes with these parts, I guess. And I think these are like the small miscellaneous like screws and stuff like that. We have this little device. I think this is for the bottom of the chair. Not sure. And we have all this that was in there. So we have wheels and clips and a little Allen wrench and some screws. So let's get started. So we have our little Allen wrench slash mini screw, and the screws that came with it, it said we need 4 G's, which is these little guys, and we're gonna install the armrests right now. Next, what we're doing is grabbing 4 more of the G screws and installing them, 4 of them right there so that it'll hold the little bar in place of our chair. As you can see, it's very sturdy. And the little pipe hole, we're going to put that on top. There's like this danger thing. It says, please do not pull the handle before installation completed. So this one right here that has the tag on it has a spring load, so that's very dangerous. Next, we're installing these little baby screws. Those are going to screw in the little cup for the armrest and the backrest. Or not the armrest, the backrest. So that all that metal isn't showing. Thank you guys so much for watching my how to put a gaming chair together. I'm going to be filming a review next time, kind of testing out the chair, seeing how many hours I sit on it and see if it's comfortable or not. It's nighttime, so you can't really see the true color, but it is a gorgeous color. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to watch anime and play games. Woo! Don't forget to add me, Bonson, and Blippy on Twitch.